So this is just a piece of soap, white soap, that hopefully will give me some stars effect. So this is sodium cocoyl isethionate, or SCI. Just trying to chop to small pieces. Quarter teaspoon. There's a tiny left there of purple vibrance. This is neon pink. Gonna add a quarter teaspoon. And I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of Imperial Purple Enviro Glitter to the purple one there. And this is black oxide pigment. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon. It seems like a lot, but so be it. This will be for half of the soap. And I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of black onyx. Actually, more like a quarter teaspoon. And a quarter teaspoon of silver bio glitter. So to the black, I'm going to add the soap scraps that I shredded. To the pink, I add the SCI, sodium cocoyl, just a little bit. And to the purple, I'm going to add a little bit of stearic acid. Okay, so I just finished mixing the colors, and this soap it's at a very light trace. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. So I can see little speckles of the glitter on the black. That's good. So I like how the scraps look on the black. Whatever was here, I think the stearic acid doesn't look good. You can see it better here. It seems it was in the purple, or it could have been on the pink. It's hard to tell. And it doesn't look so good. You can sort of see the Enviro glitter on the black and also in the purple, and that looks nice. But yeah, whatever was on the pink, I'm not a fan of how it looks.